Alright, I'm back with another little video. I kind of wanted to show this off. This is my CofB X-pod2. I kind of want to just show what my loadout was like. It's been a while since I posted a video. It's probably going to be like this. I mean, it's been like this. So anyhow, everybody knows the X-pod. It's one of the best slings, in my opinion. It's definitely my favorite sling. I never leave my house without it. And it's expandable. It doesn't look like a sling. I mean, it doesn't look like a typical sling. But this isn't a review or anything. This is kind of just a loadout. And maybe my quick thoughts on what I've done with it. So I added this cheap little shoulder pad that has little molly on it, and then I put some cable management Velcro on there so I can put a RE on there. And yeah, this is what my typical carry is like. Like I said, I literally never leave my house without this pack. I don't always carry a backpack. I almost never carry a backpack now because I haven't been going to work for a while, but this is always going with me, and it looks really packed out because usually my kid is with me, and in the main compartment I keep his water bottle. So yeah, and yeah, in the main compartment, that's all I keep in here. If it's not in here, sometimes I'll have it like in the strap. I'll just take this and loop it through here, or something like that. But yeah, so this is usually empty. It's auxiliary, and I normally only have one compression strap. The other compression strap, I leave it inside the pass-through. It's all I use the pass-through for, and I think that's literally the only difference between the 2 and the 1 is this pass-through that goes all the way through. All right, and then the flat pack, I have these in here just in case I need to use them, tissues and whatnot. That's what's in there. The compartment I use the most is this. Hand sanitizer, mints and snacks for my kid. And then I've got kind of a ouch pouch from Zero Feud. It's got like a shot wipe and go. I've got like band-aids and like wipes and a metal card. I just keep this metal card. This is a credit card that I stripped the front and back off of. I just keep it in here for rigidity's sake. USB-C to USB-A adapter, tissues. Oh, this is crayons from the last time we went. Hair tie for my wife. A couple of markers, a silver one and a black one. This is probably gonna go out. Eye drops, pen, and then in this pocket I've got my arc lighter insert, device wipes, and kind of like an ear kit in an old primetime thing, and then a Zippo that has a regular, well, not regular, it's a gas filled, because when we have to light incense a lot. And then in this little pouch is just some more snacks and candy that we'll give out to my kid or whatever. The main reason I wanted to show this video is, like, most people look at these little pockets on the side here and they're like, what the heck is this for? It's so small, it's for nothing. I found that it fits my earbuds really well. like perfectly. And then I have a tiny little Tic Tac thing full of like generic Zyrtec. Oh, there's one that fell out. Why did this fall out? Yeah. And I just keep generic Zyrtec in there because I get allergies. And then the other side, this is the side that I really wanted to show off. The tiny little pouch, little section pocket that nobody thinks of using. I think I use this the most. In here, I keep one of these tins, another Zippo, and then this is a very cool little driver from Minage. It's their spinner driver. I backed them on Kickstarter a long time ago, and this is what I have. This is what I've been using. It comes apart, and then it's got a little bearing here so that you can do precision or whatever and turn it without easier to turn. And then also in here is the 711L little wrench. It's got like 60 teeth in it, which is a lot more than many other ratchets I've used. And it's got a 1/4 inch hex on it, so I can use this to torque, or I can take this out and use this as an extender bit. And you're probably wondering, like, this guy has like 3 Zippo things. Okay, so the arc insert is like a backup, and the other one's like the main lighter. But this one has got the bit holder in it. So I color coded my main Torx. So the T10 is white, and then T8 is blue, T15 is yellow, and then red for T6. They're all WeHa bits, and they're standard 1/4 inch bits. And that will just, this is for a quick little tune-up. If my knife pivot was messed up or something, I can just take it out and it's ready to go. But all the torques are in there. And if it needs more torque, I can always put it in here and get the torque here, or add even more leverage here if I need it. Yeah, and then on top of that, this little thing here, I have filled it up with different bits. I've got like a magnetic bit. These are very short, so that if I need to pick something up or grab something, a small screw or something like that, it's just a magnet. And then I've got your standard like flathead, and then a small Phillips and a bigger Phillips. So I think this is a 1 and then this is a 2. And then I've got this adapter for the rest of these, which I have like a bunch of them, just in case I need to do any precision work. And then you see there, I have lined the bottom of this with a magnet, so that it keeps my razors in one spot. So I've lined them with these thin little magnets here, and then I keep 2 razors inside. This is a pivot needle for anybody who flips ballies. This is essential. I mean, it even works pretty well for regular folders, but yeah. And then I just put this in here to fill space. It's a tap bit, but yeah, it's just there in case I needed to scrape stuff or something. But this little like 10-cent box holds all of this gear with that is essentially all you need when you're out. I mean, really. And then this gives torque, and then this gives precision. So yeah, this just converts the little micros into normal, so I can do whatever with it. And then of course, again, torque if I need it. Very versatile very little, and yes, it all just fits into one tiny little pocket right here. And it's like not even noticeable. It's light, it's not bulky, because this part just kind of flexes this way, and seriously, this is what I always carry. And then on top of which, I didn't mention that these are short, so they're not like the normal size, as you can see up against like a normal hex bit. These are half size. They're from LTT store, if you know who that is. They're like a tech channel. Yeah, not just this, but I kind of have this duplicated out in my fifth pocket. So let me move all of this out of the way, and I'll show you in my fifth pocket. I carry this as a pen, as a little pry bar, and then I've got like my security key in here, where all my two-factor authentication goes. I just keep it out here in the front pocket so that I can take my phone and just tap it. And then yeah, I just carry a space pen because I like the footprint of it. And then in here, I kind of have this duplicated out slightly. I have another one of these 711L wrenches sitting here. I have some basic picks, and again, I have a metal card that it's holding some razors. I accidentally took this through the airport and it never came up, so I have these spares and I completely forgot about it, and it got through TSA. I don't know if they didn't see it or what. And then yeah, so I have some band-aids, a wet wipe. This is a cool little stand. I'm constantly using it for my kid when I need to distract him, entertain him. He just puts his phone in there like this, or he puts his mom's phone in there or my phone in there, mostly his mom's phone, and then he can like stand it up. Very useful when you have kids. And yeah, yeah, you can see I have another one of these mid-inch in here. I keep the silver one in here. Earplugs, hole tension for when I need to pick a lock. I have another one here, but you know, I like the bigger one. I have that's my preference. And then I've got some of the Torx in here, precision tweezers, and the whole set of this I keep in here as well, like another set. It comes with the magnets and the P1, P0, all the way up to whatever. And that kind of fits in, that just kind of sits there. Always need earplugs, because that's, your hearing never heals. And yeah, that is this is literally on me all the time for the most part, unless I'm wearing pants that doesn't have the fifth pocket, and this fits just right into my fifth pocket, the watch pocket. Oh, I've got a pick here, a SIM ejector, another ear thing, and then eyeglasses, drivers, because this kit doesn't cover I think these are like 000s or something like that, and it doesn't take up a lot of space and room. And this is a USB drive that's got random stuff on it, and it's in a little baggie in case this gets wet. Yeah, this sits in the fifth pocket. I would like it thinner. I would like not to carry it like this. I wish this had like a pen holder so it could go like this. This is the only pry bar that I have or use, because it's a cheap one that I stripped the ano off of and polished, just because I wanted to do that. But yeah, I know it's redundant because I have all of this in the bag already. But you know, one is none, I guess. However that saying goes. Yeah, just a quick one today, and hopefully that helps with somebody who's trying to carry something similar with a small footprint. I think this is a great solution for that, especially if you're always tinkering with little gadgets that need to be taken, the covers need to be opened or whatever. Really, it started with just this. It was just this. But then I figured, oh, I really like the size of this ratchet. I ended up getting like 3 of them. Just so that, you know, I have one on my desk, I have one in my pocket, and then I have one in my pouch, or in my sling. Yeah, it's probably overkill. It is overkill, but, you know, I think it's awesome. I've used it quite a bit. Same with the pry bar. Everybody's always like, oh, nobody uses the pry bar. I use it all the time just to scrape random crap up and yeah, to open up weird tins, because like for some reason kids' toys come in tins now. It's really odd. Yeah. Okay, that's it. We'll see you in the next one.